And then the last...
I apologize for the mariachi music.
This is like so on brand for our street. Our neighborhood. Just where we live. And then over...
Hey guys, welcome back to Kinsey Lo. Today we are doing a video that I am personally super excited about because this is my favorite genre of clothing.
Her favorite.
This is where I thrive.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna do a video all about athleisure / loungewear.
Lounge. For me, it's more lounge. For Katie, it's more athleisure. But like this is like what I like. You know, I'm running around like going to the grocery store or just like on the weekend. I like, you know, want to look like kind of normal, but
if I could wear this every day, I would.
Yeah, you know, and also like slipping into like after work or like if you have to do something after work, but you like don't want to wear your work stuff all the time, you know.
So we're just going to show you our kind of favorite pieces and staples that can up your loungewear or athleisure wardrobe. And without further ado, I think we'll just get started.
Look up.
Woohoo.
Woohoo. So the first outfit I'll talk about is the one I'm wearing right now. And the little like sweatshirt that's like cinched at the bottom is Fabletics. I love this. It also comes in purple, which my sister has.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, she does. Producer.
Color.
And the leggings are Zella, which is like definitely my favorite legging brand. I think the cutouts are really fun, and you know, I sweat a lot, so it just like allows for some air. You know what I mean? And love the color. Like I love wearing army green and black together. And I'm just wearing my Adidas Cloud Foam. I think that's what they're called. Shoes. I love this technology, like whatever it is, because I have it in my like normal like streetwear Adidas too, and it literally feels like you're stepping on a cloud. Whether you're like working out in the, because like I work out in these shoes, but then I also love them in my normal Adidas. I think that Fabletics has some really good like affordable athleisure stuff, and it's really good quality actually too. And then like Zella is like, forget about Lululemon for leggings personally for me. I just think they're like the same price point, and I think that these last longer and are more comfy. So yeah, but I really love having like a little like light sweatshirt. I think that's like really nice to have that you could like throw on after a workout or just like wearing around. And then with like a little fun legging.
Nice. Cute. Okay, I think my first staple for athleisure is a bomber jacket. I think there's...
Karamo.
Are you Karamo Brown?
I am.
I'm sorry, I had to.
No, it's actually really good.
Goodbye, Sarah. Anyway, a bomber jacket, they're just really easy to throw on over anything, and it looks like you put a little bit more effort in. So the one that I'm wearing is from Zella, from Nordstrom, and it's cute. You can't see.
Well, you'll see when
you'll see when I'm walking in it, but it's cute because it has like a little ruching detail on it, so it's not just a plain black bomber, but it's really great. You can just like throw it. I just have it on over like a workout shirt right now with some plain black leggings, and then just some Adidas Superstars to kind of make it a little bit more cool.
Do you or do you not pair an LA Dodgers hat with it?
Well, I mean, I definitely have worn an LA Dodgers hat with it, but I just, in general, I guess another staple that I'll just start with now is just cute baseball hats for athleisure. This one's from Aritzia. It's cool. It's camo. If you know me, you know I love camo.
She loves camo.
This one's gray, so it's chic. And it's just like a cool vibe. It's casual, but it's like you put a little bit more effort into it. It's not just like you're wearing a workout shirt and jeans and or leggings and running shoes. And then the leggings I'm wearing are, in my opinion, the only pair of leggings that you need in your entire life.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm like caressing Katie's thigh right now.
They're so nice.
What is that?
The Lululemon Align pants.
Oh, I have just shaded Lulu.
Yeah.
Here I am.
They are the most comfortable pants you will ever put on your entire life. If you have a pair of these, there's no point in buying any other legging, because these are the greatest pants ever. They look really nice, but then they're squat proof. So if you wear them to work out, they're squat proof. So if you do a squat like in the gym or whatever, you're not gonna be flashing everyone.
Sure. That's key.
Right. I don't do that, but if I did, then these would be great. But they're just really great, and they feel like butter. Like, they're the softest leggings in the entire world.
I like haven't felt this material before, so like, I'm sorry, Lululemon, I take it back.
Yeah.
I just don't like your traditional leggings. Okay, bye.
They're so good, and they're a nice high-waisted, and just super ideal.
So, Wild Fox, love you so much.
Yes.
Literally, I have a lot of Wild Fox beach baggy jumpers, such as this. And it's like literally what I slide right into right after work when I get home, like ripping off my outfit and putting on one of these bad boys. Love it. I usually get mine on sale at Saks Off 5th or Nordstrom Rack, or Katie and I just went to the Wild Fox sample sale. They have those, so sign up for their emails and you'll know when they have them.
Yeah, they're cool.
Hot tip, but like, yeah, you don't have to pay $100 for these, you know what I mean?
No.
You really don't. And you shouldn't. So, but super comfortable. I literally love wearing these in my athleisure lounge wear. This one says Hasta La Vista in like this fun little gothic script. And then these are actually Fabletics leggings. And I literally wear these so much, and they go with everything, and they're like black and have these like super faint like white lines on them. And they're horizontal like stripes, I guess you could say, but they actually make your legs look like really skinny, so love that. And then pretty much under every single Wild Fox item that
pretty much under any
wear,
athleisure item that you wear.
Literally anything. Like, yeah, Katie knows. I have like 6 of these in like red, navy, white, black. Just good old Calvin Klein bra. And I'm a size medium. Is that what this is? Yeah, size medium. I have a large sometimes if I'm like sleeping in them, because like they're a little roomier. But like if you want to like be a little like perked up if you're like going out and about, maybe size down to a medium.
Great.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so then my next athleisure staple is like a cute cropped hoodie or cropped t-shirt or something like that. And I really like wearing these with either high-waisted leggings or with joggers, because I feel like when I wear joggers, I don't want something super baggy on top, or else I look a little bit disheveled, you know, because they're a looser pant. So I want something that's a little bit, I don't know. So this doesn't cover the top of the, it you know, meets the edge of the jogger. You can show skin if you want. I usually don't. But it'll like meet the edge of the jogger so that it doesn't look baggy or anything like that. And this one's from Aritzia. I really like Aritzia's athleisure wear. I think they have really great stuff. The brand, the brand TNA is my favorite. And it's just really soft, nice quality, kind of cool streetwear-ish stuff. So I like this little cropped hoodie, easy. With that, if I was wearing it with leggings, I'd probably wear just like a pair of plain black Nikes. A good, nice pair of plain black, clean, like running shoes, you really can't go wrong with. Like, I have a pair that's my workout shoes, and then I have a pair that's my athleisure Nikes that they don't get dirty. They're like I just wear them around so that they're nice looking, so I look a bit more pulled together than like a dirty old gym shoe, you know?
Sure.
Yeah.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
I feel like your last outfit was really Karamo brown, and then this one's really tan France. He loves a cropped hoodie with joggers.
True.
So I'm just channeling through guy today, apparently. That's why I get my fashion
Where's your
inspiration.
Jonathan look?
I don't know, maybe the next one's JVN.
Last little fit we have here. It's like really hot today, so I thought I would include a shorts outfit, and it's honestly what I wear like a lot in the spring and summer. Like, if we're talking athleisure, oh, we got another Calvin Klein bra. What's new?
Hey.
So, I really do love Lulu shorts. Like, that is my go-to workout athleisure short. I think they make great shorts. So these are the speed shorts. Yeah.
And the 2.5
and I'm a size. Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
And I'm a size 6. And I have these in like black. I have some that are like these with like little polka dots. Like, I have these like in a ton of different colors, but they're really flattering on me. Like, lengthwise, they're not too short. Really great to like just like move or like walk around in. Love them. And then I'm just wearing it with. What am I wearing it with, Lauren?
Not a workout top.
This
It's
is
athleisure, Sarah.
Oh,
Sarah?
Sorry.
Check yourself.
Sorry.
Step on back. Anywho, so kimchi blue. Yeah, I honestly props to my sister for this one, because I stole this top from her all the time because I didn't have like a little like swing V-neck top. And it's so good to go under anything, whether you're wearing it with like jeans or like an athleisure vibe. But I have this in a few colors, but I'm wearing the off-white one. And I think I'm a size medium, but Kimchi Blue is medium from Urban Outfitters. And it's just like super comfy, a really good staple to have. Of course, underneath, we're doing a little navy Calvin Klein bra moment. This is a size large because like I've had this one forever and it's like really, really comfortable. So like you can sleep in it so you're not like, you know. And then over top, I am wearing a Lululemon jacket. This is my favorite like athletic jacket.
Peep the
I
rose
guess you
gold
can say.
detail.
Oh, I mean, it's a rose gold zipper, so like, hello. It's cream and like navy, and it is like super flattering.
It is.
Like, and I don't even like really like do like the zip up with this like kind of jacket, but sometimes if it's really cold, like I will.
Yeah.
If you're going to the gym or something, and people be like, wow, it's like a really flattering, like you look really good in that. I'm like, wow, it's like literally a workout jacket, but thank you, you know? So, vibes are great with this jacket.
Yeah, super cute.
Yeah, I got it Black Friday from Lululemon, so you probably can't find it anymore, but like this jacket
They
exists.
still make the jacket just in different patterns.
In different patterns. It's like such like a Lulu
I think it's one of
staple.
their classic ones.
The shoes that I'm wearing are the Adidas Cloud Foam something. I'll link them. But it's the same like cloud foam technology that are in my like other running shoes that you saw me wearing. Super comfortable. They have like a patent leather little like black detail on the back. Literally wear these so much. And you can just throw them in the wash.
They're really comfortable.
super comfy.
Okay, so my final outfit that we could say is a little bit more Bobby if we're going by what queer eye are you
Now that I know
today?
it's so good. This is so Bobby.
These joggers from Wild Fox. I got these at the sample sale. They have cute little zippers on the bottom, stars. This is like a new color for me.
Stage is really in this season.
We're getting wild. But these are really
Fox.
cute, really these are really cute, really comfortable, but like it doesn't look like you're wearing your pajamas. Totally, but it feels like you are. They have stars on the front and the back.
The boat.
Cute. And then this is an oversized baggy beach jumper. I've never actually seen one this big.
No, some of their sizing is kind of like
It's
dicey,
weird.
you know, like
you should like definitely. It's one of those things that you want to like
Go.
hold it up in person because the extra small of this sweatshirt was like a normal size large. Like
Yeah.
I have never seen sizing skewed so badly on sweatshirts, but whatever, it's fine.
it's fine because
So-
we love it.
It's this oversized baggy beach jumper and it's white and it's California's finest because hello.
It's so soft.
It's so
and
soft. I mainly got it because it was so soft.
Like
And-
much more than a lot of the other
Yeah.
materials they make it out of.
I don't know what they do to this thing, but if you ever want to be comfy, you gotta get one of these. So it's just really cute. You can wear it messy tucked. You can wear it big over joggers. It's cute with the Lulu running shorts. And I would wear an outfit like this with probably Adidas again.
Mm-hmm.
Don't wear it with running shoes. I don't think the joggers.
No.
No.
Also, it's like the black and white with the black and white of your shoes is cute.
Yeah. Oh, hot tip too. My shoe size is size 6.5, so I can buy children's shoes, and you'll save
Hot tip.
you'll save $40. My Adidas that I'm wearing in this video are children's Adidas, and I saved $40 on my Adidas by buying the children's size, and you would never know. Also, it's low key like a more exclusive color because they don't make the gray in adults. So
Yeah, that's fun.
I don't know, could be a hot tip. Those were our athleisure and leisure wear essentials, and just some ways that we enjoy styling our more casual wear.
Ways
So,
to look like a queer eye.
ways to look
Mans.
like you're on queer eye.
Which we love our style so much, so
It works.
you know, that was kind of like an impromptu part of this whole video. But yeah, we haven't like done that much like, I don't know, like workout, try on haul, like stuff. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, tell your friends, make sure you subscribe, follow us on Instagram at KinseyandLo_. And that's what we got. So we'll
Yeah.
see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.